If your Amazon Fire Stick isn't powering on, and you've already tried changing the power cable, changing an outlet, or even used a separate adapter but no luck, don't give up just yet. Before you spend money on a new one, let me show you a simple fix that saved mine. Trust me, it's worth a try. I was using my second generation Fire Stick, but this trick works on any version, even the 4K model. My issue was that my Fire Stick wouldn't power up, and my TV didn't even show the HDMI input option. I swapped out cables, 6 different ones in fact, and still, nada. I was ready to toss it and buy a new one, but then I remembered something. I use my Fire Stick on 3 different TVs in my house, and I regularly unplug and plug it back in. So I thought, let's troubleshoot this one more time before giving up. And guess what? It worked. Here's the fix. Look closely at the power port on your Fire Stick. You'll see a little black tab-like connector. This connector has some tiny pins attached, and it was too close to the metal part around the port, which stopped the cable from making a proper connection. That's why my Fire Stick wouldn't power on. So here's the simple fix. Grab a regular house knife, a paperclip, whatever you have handy, and gently push that tab away from the metal part. You don't want to force it too hard, just enough to shift it so it doesn't touch the metal anymore. Hold it in place for about 25-35 seconds. When you let go, the tab should be slightly off-center and no longer touching the metal. Once I did that, I plugged my Fire Stick back in, and guess what happened? It powered right on, and I was back to streaming Netflix without a hitch. Seriously, it worked like a charm. Now, if you've tried everything and your Fire Stick still isn't turning on, it could be a different issue. But if your Fire Stick just randomly stopped working, give this trick a try. It might just save you from spending money on a new one. Drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIY fixes and tech tips coming your way.